Okay, so we're trying a new experiment. We made these the other day and we used the baby lotion in the molds to give it that ripple effect. See? But I found on Amazon these molds that have like the ripple effect in them. So we're going to try it again and see if it makes a difference. And this time we're going to use UV resin. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some UV resin in the crevices. Okay. Let's see if this turns out better. Okay. And we're going to put our light on them. Harden them. Okay. So we've got it hardened. See? Okay. Now we're going to put some nail glitter. Okay? I'm just going to smear some around. Get some different colors. No particular way, this is just a test. Get some green. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take some of the UV resin, Let's Resin. We're going to put it in a cup, just a little bit. And we're going to put in a little bit of real glitter. Okay. Going to mix that around in the UV. And we're going to drop it in. Get a different stick. We're just going to drop it in. Move it around. Okay. Then we're going to cure it again. Okay, let's see. Is it hardened? Yep, looks like. Okay, we're going to use the rest of our UV resin in this bottle so I can get rid of it. If there's even any left in it. Maybe not. Here's a new one. Let's fill up our cavity. It looks right. We're gonna cure it again. Okay, so it's hardened. So we're going to take some UV resin. We're going to put in some black mica powder to put a background on it. Okay, so I put some in there. See? And it can't be really, really dark because the UV resin won't cure through the black. So we're doing just a little bit for depth. Okay. Okay, so let's pour this in here. black background. Right? Get it to the edges. Pop our little bubbles. Work our little bubbles out best we can. Doesn't really matter because it's on the back, but I like a more finished piece, so. I usually just take them to the edge and pop them. I don't like to use a torch. It tears up your molds. Takes a little bit more time this way, but it's worth it. It's looking pretty good. I like how the edges are even ragged on this mold. Hopefully the piece turns out good. Okay, let's use our little handy dandy light and see what we end up with. This is the exciting part. Okay, I think it's hard. Let's see. I think it's cured. Looks pretty good. Let's pull it out. See what we got. See if it made any part of a difference. Oh my goodness. See, that does make a difference, doesn't it? It's really warm in my fingers. What do you think? It's got more layers, look. More ragged edges than these with the baby lotion. I like it. Remember, follow my channel. It's free. Also, I'd like to thank all my subs that have bought me a coffee. I appreciate you. Until next time.